Hi, greetings. My name is Maksudul Haq. I will present how to simplify Business Central report. Moving to agenda, how to create a report out of the box Business Central, how to create a quick Business Central report with Popdock, and summary. Story. Maksudul works for a software company. Maksudul has been asked by manager to create a report of item inventory labels. Requirements for this report: item description, filter item quantity, include the vendor number, and this report should generate in an Excel file. Designing a Business Central report standard steps: Visual Studio Code and SQL report knowledge, AL code skills, building layout, and running AL code. For this report, I have already written a code. Moving to VS Code editor, the file we need to take a look is the launch.json, where we can specify the Business Central tenant we are connecting with for this report. Another file I have created for this report is the item ledger entry. For the report, I have to specify a report ID in Business Central, specify the file types I want for this report. In this case, it is the Excel file. Declare the table names I want to use for this report. Specify the columns we wanted to use for this report. Specify any filtering condition I wanted to use for this report, and the relationship between tables. No problems have been detected in this worksheet, meaning this code is ready to build. Report layout. I'm going to press Ctrl+Shift+B to build the report layout. Successfully, package is created, and I can see the Excel layout is created in VS Code file directory. Next, I can run this report to publish in Business Central by pressing F5. Successfully publish the package to tenant. Let's go to the Business Central tenant for this. In Business Central, search for report layout. Filter by report ID. Item ledger entries shows up. Let's run this report. Export a Excel datasheet for this. So I can see the required field for the report are generated from the Business Central. Now I am delighted to show you easy steps. For this report, I will build a query in a graphical user interface and publish in Business Central. The query in a graphical interface would look like this. Popdock Query Builder interface. Click here to add tables. I have access to all Business Central tables from this interface. I'll require item ledger entry for this report, so I took item ledger entry first. By selecting the item ledger entry, it will populate all the related fields for the item ledger. I can set filter for my quantity. Let's say equals to. I can go ahead and add additional table for this query. Build a relation between the item ledger entry and item. Item noun from the item ledger entry. And the noun field from the item table. So I have created a relationship between the item ledger entry and item. Likewise, I can add additional field for item. Once you completed your query, simply go ahead and publish. This will publish this list in Business Central. Moving to Business Central, I have Popdock extension installed in it. Find the list, item ledger entry. I have the option to export this list in an Excel file. Excel file is downloaded with the item description, item number, quantity with the filtered quantity, and the vendor numbers. To summarize, with Popdock, easy to create Business Central reports and share them in Business Central or other apps. Create Business Central report without writing a line of AL code. And enjoy the user-friendly query builder interface to create all your Business Central reports. In the end, we can see how Popdock simplifies Business Central reports. Should you consider Popdock license for your Business Central? Please visit popdock.com. Thank you very much.